What's up guys, welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a tweet to your Instagram story. So before, a lot of people would just post like a screenshot of a tweet on their story, and it was not that hard, but it was a little bit tedious. And so there's actually a new feature that'll allow you to just share a tweet directly to your story. So what you want to do is go on Twitter and find a tweet that you would like to post to your story. And then click on this little share button and click Instagram Stories. Now it'll bring up the tweet in Instagram on your story, and it'll have this little image here, and you can share it to all of your followers. Now, unfortunately, this does not share a link to the tweet. All it does is take like a little screenshot of it, and it'll post on your story as an image. So upon first glance, it may look like a link, but unfortunately it's not. So go ahead and click send, share it to your story, and there we go. So that is how you share a tweet to your Instagram story. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will do my best to help you out.